Rica Group, a leading producer and distributor of dairy products, juices and food, operates in over 22 countries.
In recent years, Rica Group has experienced steady and sustained growth. Between 2010 and 2020, this prompted the company to invest in production, automation, and capacity expansion within its sector.
Known for its commitment to quality and innovation in its production processes, the Dominican company decided to upgrade its logistics operations by automating its central warehouse.
The solution we implemented at Rica Group in partnership with Mecalux allowed us to increase our storage capacity up to 4 times within the same footprint as the current facility.
The new automated storage and retrieval system measures 60 meters long by 21 meters high. It incorporates 3 aisles equipped with the automated pallet shuttle system. Following instructions from Mecalux Easy WMS warehouse management software, conveyors automatically transport pallets from production to the assigned aisle. There, stacker cranes place them in the appropriate channel, where a motorized shuttle positions each pallet in its designated location.
In the ASRS, which is run by the Easy WMS warehouse management system, incoming products are properly stored and their weight is verified. Only the exact pallets we need are retrieved based on strict quality and expiry date criteria. Thanks to warehouse management rules like first in, first out and first expired, first out, we can manage inventory in line with the company's operational needs. As a result, the entire process is now fully automated with no human intervention required.
The Mecalux solutions have delivered multiple benefits for Rica Group, most notably complete product traceability, an essential requirement for meeting food industry standards and obtaining the certifications needed to export to the US. Additionally, automation has increased the company's logistics productivity by 35%.
The combination of the pallet shuttle system with stacker cranes enabled us to build a high-density storage system in a compact space. Managed by the WMS, it gives us efficient control over both expiry dates and the mix of products we handle. We've achieved longer periods of continuous product flow from production to the ASRS, reducing downtime and improving palletizing and storage processes. We've also improved efficiency in managing expiry dates and product combinations. At the same time, our maintenance teams have increased their skills by managing and monitoring the ASRS's mechanical and electronic components.
Rica Group has reaffirmed its commitment to productivity and efficiency with Mecalux's logistics automation and digitalization solutions. The company is now empowered to strengthen its leadership position in the food industry across the Americas.
Based on the positive experience we've had automating our warehouses, we're convinced that the future lies in continuing to automate. It's helped us improve our production processes and maintain continuous operations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Automation ensures greater reliability in inventory quality, which ultimately enables us to deliver products to our customers faster and at a higher standard.